Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. I got a haul from Impress Nails. I wear press-on nails, y'all, and press-on nails that I wear have stickers on them. What you do is you clean your nails real good. They come with a little alcohol pad and an orange stick and a file. So you push your cuticles down, clean your nail beds, cut your nails, you trim them short so that they don't go over the nail, peel the tab and stick them on. What I do is I line them up to match the sizing of my fingers of my nail beds, and then I put them on. And when you put one on, hold it, press it, just press it, and I go like this on to the edges, press it for a little bit, and then don't put your hands in water for a few hours. So most of the time what I do is I do this before I go to bed, and then that way, you know, overnight I don't put my hands in water, so then they stay better. If you immediately put your hands in water, they can fall off. They still can fall off from time to time. You might also hit something and it'll pop off, but each package comes with 30 nails. So I carry them with me. So if one were to fall off or something, I can fix it. So they had a really great sale, which they do often. And also when you buy from them, you join their club and you get discounts. So on this order, I had to spend $35 to get free shipping from them. So I did, and I used a $10 off. So my total came to $32.79. That's before taxes. So I did get the free shipping because I went above $35, and then I used my $10 off because when you are join their little club, you get points and then you can use it as you want to. So I used $10 off. So, and then I always only buy when things are on sale, y'all. You can buy these nails at the drugstores and things like that, and I usually just buy them off the website because they're on sale, because I look for the sale items. So these are called Eternity. I've had these before. They're beautiful. This is $9.49 for this set. I got it at half price for $4.75. It's hard to see, but they have, they're sort of a little clear blue, and then there's some nails with a lot of glitter on them, and then there's some nails with partial glitter on them. So they're very beautiful. That is Eternity. And then the next batch, I did get a lot of blues this time, y'all. This batch was on sale. It came together as a set, these four, and that was $15.73 for these four, and that makes them $3.93 each. They are, I'll tell you the price of what they are individually. So these are all turquoises and blues. So this is this is a light blue. This one's called Quench, and this regular price is $7.99. So these are just all solid. They don't have any, any glitters or anything on them. So they're solid. And what I do sometimes is from other sets that I might have some left over, I might add an accent nail, from what I have left over. Then we have Rain Check. And this one is very shiny turquoise. So they have a nice shine to them, which is really pretty shine. And then there's some accent nails with glitter on them. So that's this set. And this is regular price $9.49. Said that backwards, $9.49. But remember, I'm paying $3.93 for each of these four. Then we have Mint to Be. So these are a solid turquoise. So here's the solid blue next to them so you can see the difference. I love turquoise and blues for summer especially. And you know what? Can wear something like that in winter too, just to brighten your spirits. I do that sometimes. And then this Color FX came with this set of four. These are some of my favorite kind. They're very opulent and very shiny and very beautiful. So this is a turquoise, and they're the FX, they have a line of FX. So these are $10.99. These are called Upgrade, and they're $10.99. But remember, I paid $3.93 for each in those set. So that was that batch. Then I got another batch that had these 3 in it. Now, usually when they have a spring or summer sale, you're going to see winter stuff on sale. So to see those turquoise on sale, those blue ones, was unusual, you know, because of the time of year. Those would more be on sale in wintertime. But this set here is more of a fall winter set. And this was $12.81 for the 3 of them, making them $4.27 each. And I'll tell you what each one costs regularly. This is $9.49 for this is Before Sunrise. I've had this one before. I love this for fall, winter. So it has this beautiful green, olive green, and then an accent nail that has an opaque swirl in it and then some gold on it. And $9.49 regular price for that. And then we have the red set is called Endlessly, and these are beautiful for any time of year, really. So they're beautiful red, and then the accent nails they're opaque, and then they have a shiny glittery red. So these would be great at Christmas time, or any kind, if you have any party to go to. If you're going to a wedding, these would be really pretty. If you're not, you know, if you're not the bride, but any kind of, you know, fancy party, I think these would be really pretty, and I just wear them every day. So these are also $9.49 regular price. And then that's Endlessly, and then the third one in this set is called Time Lapse, and it's very similar to the red. There's these are, well, they look green, but I think they're black. I think they're black, y'all, but with the light shining on them, maybe they are green. They sure look green. I thought when I was buying them they were black, but green is fine too. Also very pretty for, you know, they're dramatic. So you've got your solids, and then these have the white opaque background, and then their swirl of the color, and then some gold added to it. So this set was called Time Lapse. So again, $9.49 for that set, but I paid $4.27 because I bought as a set for $12.81. Because the regular price of the set was $28.47, but it was discounted, greatly discounted. So then I have 2 more sets, or 2 more boxes, I should say, no more sets. This one is called Secretly Yours. And these are just a pretty pink. This you can, you know, all year you can wear this one. $9.49 regular, on sale for $4.75. These are ombre. It's lighter at the base, more white, and then it goes up into pink in an ombre and an oval top to it. You know, some are more squared off of a top, and some are, you know, more of an oval. Those are the shapes that I like. They do have different shapes. They have some coffin shapes. They have some pointed kind, you know, so it just depends what you like. And then the last set, I didn't realize this until it got to me. This is a wide fit. So I don't really need the wide fit, even though I'm a big girl. I guess my nail beds aren't necessarily. So this is called Dream It Up. And some of y'all had told me that you like the wide nails. So this may go in a future giveaway. $9.49 regular price, on sale for $4.75. These are very beautiful, pink. They're a pink base, very light pink base for most of the nails. And then the accent nail has glitter on it, and then also some like mirrored dots, if you can see that. But see, it says wider fit. So these are nice big for your thumbs. And if you get something like this and these are too big for you, you can trim them down a little bit. And with a little work, you know, file the edges and stuff. But I will probably put that in a future giveaway because some of y'all have told me you like it. So y'all, I got 10 sets of nails with my discount of the $10, and with all the sales going on, I ended up paying $32.79. So that really makes each one about $3.27 a box. Fantastic. I have too many nails. This is for sure. I do wear them all the time, And I usually change them out about every week to 10 days. If I'm really busy, then I might keep them on for 2 weeks. But then eventually, you know, your nails start to grow. So they will, you know, you'll have to change them. You know, they can't stay on forever. But the Impress has really impressed me with their sticker that it's not really glue, whatever the sticker that's already on the nail does so well. They stay on really well. So I really, really like them. I highly recommend them. I do have a link below. If you buy under me, you get a discount. I think you get like $10 off your order, and then you can join, and then you'll have a code to share with your friends. And if they buy under you, you get some points. They get $10 off, you get points. And then, like I said, those points add up. And you can get like a $10 off, or you can get, there's different things you can get with it. So it's just a lot of fun if you like this kind of thing. So, and then again, I'm sorry, I don't remember the name of these, but these were one of the Color FX sets, and it's an ombre going on, and they're just sort of clear. I have a meeting that I have to go to, so I wanted to be conservative. That's why I put these on. So for that meeting. So y'all, that's what I have in my nails. So thanks for stopping by and seeing what I got, and y'all take care and count your blessings. Good to see y'all.